Today we'll be painting a landscape which is a sunset landscape which is from Kashmir. So let's get started. If you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as I said, actually today we are going to paint this sunset with a boat reflection and so many things. Main thing is just try to concentrate on the color applied, how it's applied, the reflected light, the color, mixed colors in the water. Then the next layer is how the water, flowing water, waves, and then the reflection of the boat itself, the color chosen, because light is from the back, and then what happens is you get most of it silhouette, but still boat color, dark red color is seen. And then on the boat, actually the hood or whatever roof is there, so that's the one which is shining because of the light. And then the reflection of the boat itself is black. You just have to make sure that it is more believable than exactly right, so you match up with what you have drawn and then paint it accordingly. So there are certain decisions I had made during this, uh, mainly wet on wet or otherwise wet on dry surface. So during that time I had to see how it actually behaved and how I had to put clouds. And there are different ways that you can do it. It's not only one way. Once you get the hang of the medium, then you will automatically know exactly what are the ways that you can actually get around with certain objects, clouds, mountains, the layers, far away trees, the shimmering of light. It's actually, when you look at that painting from 4 to 6 feet away, it should be more believable than it should not look like a sticker. So I hope if you follow along, you should actually paint similar to mine. You should have a painting similar to mine, or otherwise if you are enjoying watching this painting, enjoy yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.